In today's world, the need for a reliable power source has become increasingly important, especially for those who enjoy outdoor activities or find themselves frequently in off-grid situations. The portable power station with foldable solar panel 30W offers a versatile solution for these needs. This review will discuss its features, usage, and overall performance. At first glance, the portable power station appears compact and user-friendly. With its sleek design, it is easy to transport, making it suitable for camping trips, hiking, or even as a backup power source at home. One of its standout features is the included foldable solar panel, which provides an eco-friendly way to recharge the power station. The solar panel's 30-watt capacity allows for efficient charging during daylight hours, which can be particularly beneficial for users who spend time outdoors without access to traditional electricity. Diving deeper into its features, the portable power station is equipped with various output ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and AC outlets. This range makes it compatible with a wide variety of devices, such as smartphones, laptops, and small appliances. The power station's capacity is designed to support multiple devices simultaneously, which can be quite advantageous when traveling with family or friends. Additionally, the built-in LED display provides users with real-time data on battery status, ensuring that you are always aware of the remaining power available. In terms of usage, this power station is straightforward. Charging the internal battery can be accomplished via the solar panel or traditional wall outlet, providing flexibility depending on the situation. When using the solar panel, users will find that its foldable design allows for easy setup and adjustment to optimize sun exposure. The power station is designed to be silent during operation, which makes it suitable for use in quiet environments, such as during a camping trip in a serene natural setting. In conclusion, the portable power station with foldable solar panel 30W offers a practical solution for those in need of portable power. With its array of features, ease of use, and eco-friendly charging options, it accommodates various needs and preferences. Whether for outdoor adventures or emergency backup, this power station presents a reliable choice for ensuring that your devices remain powered wherever life takes you.